Let's take a look at the Global Centre for Rail Excellence in Onslow near Banwen.
The Global Centre of Rail Excellence will be a purpose-built site for world-class research, testing and certification of rolling stock, infrastructure and innovative new rail technologies that will fill a gap, not just in UK rail, but across Europe. The Global Centre of Rail Excellence, being constructed in South Wales, is one of the most critical and creative infrastructure projects happening anywhere in European rail. Facilities will include a dual-platform test environment, rolling stock storage and maintenance facilities, operations room, staff accommodation and connections to the main line. There will be state-of-the-art visitor and conference facilities, a business park and a hotel. GCRE was established in 2021 with a commitment of £50 million from the Welsh Government. The UK Government has provided £20 million and a further £7.4 million is being provided through Innovate UK for research and development, spanning the former Nunt-Helen Opencast site and Banwen washery. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to follow the build progress at the Global Centre for Rail Excellence. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all on the next video. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos on this subject.